Take a moment and imagine this. What if you suddenly stop blinking? Not just for a few seconds, but for minutes, hours, or even days. Blinking feels so small that we rarely notice it, yet every single blink is a silent act of protection. Each time your eyes close, a thin layer of moisture is spread across the surface. Dust and microscopic particles are cleared away, and your vision stays sharp and comfortable. Without blinking, that protection slowly begins to fade. At first, the eyes start to dry out, followed by a subtle burning sensation and irritation. As time passes, the surface of the eye becomes stressed, and microscopic damage can begin to form on the cornea, the clear layer that allows light to enter and images to stay focused. With continued stress, the risk of infection increases, discomfort intensifies, and vision may start to blur or feel unstable. But here's the most important truth. This timeline is purely hypothetical and created for educational purposes only. In real life, the human body would never allow blinking to stop for this long. Blinking is an automatic reflex controlled by the brainstem, not a conscious choice. Long before serious damage could continue, pain, extreme fatigue, or even loss of consciousness would force the body to protect itself. This is how human biology works, quietly, constantly, and without permission. Blinking isn't a habit you remember to do. It's a survival reflex that your body performs for you every single second to protect one of your most delicate and essential senses.